All right, so this is going to be another voltaic cell problem. We have strontium and strontium plus 2 ion. We have zinc and we have zinc plus 2 ion. And so the first thing you're going to have to do is go to a standard reduction table and figure out what's going to be our reduction and what's going to be our oxidation. The way you're going to figure out what's going to be the reduction and what's going to be the oxidation is where they are relative to one another on that table. So whatever's higher, that's going to remain a reduction, and so you'll write it down exactly as it appears on the table. The other problem, the other equation, all right, it's going to be the worst reduction, so it's going to happen in reverse, and it's going to be our oxidation. So look at your standard reduction table, and let's figure out which one is which. And zinc turns out to be the higher, so zinc is going to be written exactly as it appears. Zinc plus 2 electrons yields zinc solid at a voltage of negative 0.76 volts. And strontium, since it's lower on the table, is going to be reversed. It will be our oxidation, so we will write from the table, we will write the products as the reactants and the reactants as the products, and we will reverse the sign on its voltage. So it'll be written as strontium yields strontium plus 2 ion plus 2 electrons at a voltage of, so on the table it's negative 2.89. Here we'll write it as positive 2.89 volts. And then for our overall reaction, we add everything together. Fortunately, the electrons cancel here. And then we will have the overall reaction is zinc ion plus strontium yields solid zinc and strontium ion at a voltage of positive 2.13 volts. That means that zinc is undergoing reduction and is therefore the cathode, and strontium is being oxidized and it will be our anode. Or another way of looking at it, back here in this original reaction, the zinc is gaining electrons, that's a reduction. The strontium is releasing electrons, that's an oxidation. And electricity will be going from, right, the strontium side is putting electrons out, the zinc side is taking electrons in, so electricity is going to flow here, that direction. Electrons are going to flow from the strontium to the zinc electrode. What other questions could we ask about this? We could see which electrode is going to gain or which one is going to lose mass. So in the overall reaction, zinc is yielding zinc ion, or zinc ion is becoming zinc metal, and strontium is producing more strontium ion. So here, this is going to be our anode. The anode is going to be losing mass. Pieces of this metal are going to be ionized and they're going to go off into solution. So this electrode will be losing mass and this solution will be becoming more concentrated. On the other side, we have zinc ion becoming zinc metal. So this electrode is going to be gaining mass and this solution will be becoming less and less concentrated with zinc ion. All right, so I hope that answers any questions that you might have had about voltaic cells.